was to walk in the wind. Cold, harsh wind that could wash the bad dream and wipe my tears away. Dream that would disappear in a way and take away waves of pain that pollute my veins, veins in pain, the bleeding sins, lives and dies in fear. My winter wish was to walk in the wind, to declare war, fight to the end and win, and then find the peace that could release or wave the old weight of pain, of sorrow, of darkness, of selfishness, of suffering, of sadness, of melancholy. My winter wish was to walk in the wind, a long walk to the end of the road, to the end of all times, to the beginning of the wilderness, where the wild play and sing and dance and laugh and cry, where too the naked soul of mine can live with no fear. My winter wish was to walk in the wind, and also to play, to sing, to dance, to cry, to find the peace that could release or kill the new weight of pain, of sorrow, of darkness, of selfishness in my old veins, bleeding sins to be not following. My winter wish was to walk in the wind, and to the memories bring the fine smell of the spring and sing, and to the memories bring the fall leaves to play, dance and cry with the memories of sunset rays, like a summer butterfly.